Hey everyone, that octopus you just saw will come out during the 8 to 9 minute mark, so stay tuned for that. It's pretty exciting. That octopus was out of his hole over behind me, and then he came to this hole. This will just go over there, but he will go down in this hole. The octopus is peeking out again. So today we're here at Ypao Beach, and we spotted an octopus that was out of its hole. He goes way down and deep, so you can't see him anymore, but we're waiting to see if he comes back out. That was so funny. That octopus was sitting up on the coral watching us for like 5 minutes, and then it swam over here.
I got my other camera out to take some close-up video, and it was kind of hard to see where it was pointing, so that's why it's not kind of square on his eyes and head. But and there was a little bit of a current that kept pulling me off to the side, so it was kind of tricky trying to get video with the macro camera. But you can see that octopus has two eyes, one there and one on the other side, and also two holes that open up to breathe with. They have two breathing tubes, one on each side, where their gills are. And inside that cavity is also their other internal organs. But I love the eyes on this octopus, especially when he comes out in the next clip coming up. Oh, it was just my favorite video clip ever of an octopus coming out of his hole. This octopus has kind of a smooth skin, but yet there's a little bit of spikiness on it. They can change their texture from smooth to spiky looking, but really they're just a smooth, slimy little creature. And pretty cool how they can do that. And watch the next clip to see how he changes his color. Did you know octopus have fat? Yeah, all that skin bunched up is actually octopus fat. This octopus didn't really have any place where he could hide. The hole didn't go in very far, so I could tell he wanted to get out and leave. You know, he wanted to get away from me bothering him. So I moved away from the hole, and he started to inch his way out, and then I moved over to the left, and that's when he saw that he had an opening to escape. So watch what happens. This is pretty cool.
Guys, I've been taking pictures of that octopus, and as I was swimming away, I just noticed there's another one in a hole 2 feet away. That's pretty cool. Let's check it out. I'm on my way back in, but I passed by that first octopus we saw, and he's out of his hole again. So I'm going to see how close we can get to him. Over this way. Let's check it out. Pretty cool.
Check out this video at the end for more awesome ocean creatures. And when you see my face, smash it, and you will subscribe to my channel so you can be alerted to more ocean videos coming up.